Have you ever wanted to create a super realistic AI avatar that looks almost human? One that lip syncs perfectly, moves its hands smoothly, and even walks like a real person? Well, guess what? You're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you the complete step-by-step process of creating an ultra-realistic AI avatar from scratch. And I'm not just saying this, I guarantee that by the end of this video, you'll be able to create avatars so realistic that people won't believe they're AI generated. Here's an example of what we're going to achieve /.
Nice. Let's proceed.
We'll be here, step by step.
Okay, let's get excited.
Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell icon so you don't miss out on more amazing AI tutorials like this one. Step 1. Creating the image. Alright, let's start with Step 1, creating our avatar's image using Leonardo AI. First, open Leonardo AI in your browser and log in to your account. Once you're on the dashboard, you'll see a prompt box. This is where the magic happens. Now, paste your avatar prompt in that box. This prompt should describe exactly how you want your avatar to look, like hairstyle, clothing, background, anything you want. The more detailed you are, the better the result will be. Next, go to the model option and select Flex Dev. This is the model that gives the most realistic and high-quality results. Then, make sure Prompt Enhance is turned off. We don't want the AI to change our original idea, so keep that off. Now, under Style, select Portrait. This ensures that your avatar looks like a real-life character and not some random cartoon. For image ratio, choose 16:9, because this is the standard widescreen size that works best for videos. Then, set the size to medium. This gives you a good balance between quality and speed. Finally, under Number of Images, select 4. This way, Leonardo AI will generate 4 different variations for you to choose from. Once everything is ready, simply hit the Generate button and wait for the magic to happen. When the images are done, look through all 4 and pick the one you like the most. Then, click Download to save it to your device. Here's an example of what my generated avatar looks like /. Pretty cool, right? First, open the platform where we'll animate the avatar. On the home screen, go to the Avatar section and click on Create Avatar. Now, choose the option Custom Image, because we're going to use the avatar image we created earlier with Leonardo AI. Upload the downloaded avatar image from your device. Once it's uploaded, you'll need to fill in some details. Name, give your avatar a name. Age, add an age to make it more personalized. Gender, select the appropriate gender for your avatar. Once you've completed these details, your avatar setup is ready. Next, we're going to make your avatar move and look alive. Now it's time to make your avatar talk. On the left side of the screen, you'll see the Upload Audio option. Click there and upload your audio file, the one you want your avatar to speak. Once the audio is uploaded, go to the top right corner and click the Generate button. The process will take some time, so be patient and let it finish. When it's done, your avatar will be fully animated, lip-syncing perfectly with your audio. Here's how it looks /.
Welcome to the new era of video creation with HeyGen. Simply type your script to
Looks
get
amazing,
started.
right? Finally, click on the 3 dots at the bottom of the video and select Download. That's it, your realistic AI avatar video is ready to use for social media, YouTube, or any project you want. So that's how you turn a static image into a talking, moving AI avatar. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more awesome AI tools and tutorials from AI Website Hunter.